Hello and welcome back to Food and Nourishment Kitchen. Today I am fully excited because I will prepare my favorite oven-baked meatball recipe. They are crunchy, they are juicy, absolutely tasty, but prepared on a much more healthier way. So they are time savers, but the game changers for the busy day. I really love them. So stay with me until the end of this video and I will show you how you can make them by yourself. As you can see, I have here my machine prepared. I will mince the meat by myself. I have two wonderful pieces of meat, one beef around 1 kilo and one pork around 1 kilo. So if you want to speed up the process, or if you don't have a machine and possibility to mince your meat by yourself, make your favor when you're going to the butchery, ask the butcher to mince the pieces of meat of your choice in front of your eyes, because you want to know what is inside. You will eat this, you will give to your kid, to your family. So it's always a good choice. Let's start. So here we are. Meatballs are out of the oven. As you can see, I was making a big batch. So you remember, in the beginning of the video, I was telling that they are time saver and game changers for the busy days. Exactly this I was meaning. I was preparing big batch because today I had a little bit more time, but I will store them in the fridge. For the next 3 days, I can prepare something with them. For the rest of them, inside the container, right inside the freezer for about 1 month. And how I will use them, I will prepare very nice videos for the next week where you can see all of this idea how to use already finished and frozen meatballs that will save your time, that will save your day, and always when you're coming after work, you will have a wonderful dinner just by opening the container, took some of them, put them inside the sauce, warm them up, and that it is. It's that easy. Trust me, give them a chance and you will not regret. I will now test one because I really cannot wait anymore. I cannot even speak, but I'm making for the ears this recipe. Never miss, never regret. They are always coming out perfect as they are. So, see you next time.